The crescent moon, often accompanied by a star, is a powerful and elegant symbol that adorns the flags of many Muslim-majority countries. Its graceful curve has become synonymous with Islamic culture in the minds of people worldwide. However, the story behind this emblem is far more complex and fascinating than many realize. How did the crescent moon become so closely associated with Islam and Muslim nations? Contrary to popular belief, the crescent moon was not originally an Islamic symbol. Its significance stretches back millennia, finding roots in various ancient civilizations. In Mesopotamia, the Sumerians and Babylonians used the crescent moon to represent their lunar deities. Ancient Egyptians sometimes depicted the god Thoth with a crescent moon headdress. In Greece and Rome, lunar deities like Selene and Luna were closely associated with the crescent moon. As we approach the Islamic era, an intriguing historical twist emerges. The Byzantine Empire, which predated the rise of Islam, used the crescent moon as a symbol for the city of Byzantium, later Constantinople. Ironically, early Muslims did not widely use the crescent moon symbol. The early Islamic caliphates primarily used solid-colored flags or simple geometric designs in their iconography. The crescent moon's journey to becoming an Islamic symbol began in earnest with the rise of the Ottoman Empire in the 13th century. The Ottomans, building on imagery from earlier Turkic tribes and Byzantine culture, adopted the crescent moon as a powerful emblem of their growing state. A pivotal moment came in 1453 with the Ottoman conquest of Constantinople. Legend has it that the Ottomans adopted the city's existing crescent moon emblem as their own, solidifying its place in their imperial iconography over the following centuries. As the Ottoman Empire expanded its reach across vast swaths of the Muslim world, the crescent moon symbol spread with it. The Ottomans used it prominently on flags, mosques, and official documents, gradually cementing its association with Islamic culture and governance. In Islamic contexts, the crescent moon carries deep symbolic meaning. It often represents the Islamic lunar calendar, which is crucial for determining religious holidays and observances. The sighting of the new crescent moon marks the beginning of each month in this calendar. The waxing crescent is frequently interpreted as a symbol of hope, growth, and enlightenment in Islamic culture. Just as the crescent moon grows to fullness, it represents the potential for spiritual and personal development. For many nations that adopted the symbol post-independence, the crescent moon represents not only their Islamic heritage, but also their sovereignty, progress, and aspirations for the future. The use of the crescent moon in national flags varies widely across the Muslim world, with each country imbuing the symbol with its own specific meanings. Pakistan's flag displays a white crescent moon and star on a green field. The green represents Islam, while the white stripe represents religious minorities. The crescent symbolizes progress, and the star represents light and knowledge. The Malaysian flag incorporates a crescent moon and a 14-point star. The crescent represents Islam, the majority religion, while the star's points represent the 13 states and the federal territories, symbolizing national unity. Algeria's flag features a red crescent moon and star on a field of green and white. The colors represent Islam, green, and peace, white, with the crescent and star symbolizing the Islamic faith. Interestingly, Singapore, though not a Muslim-majority country, uses the crescent moon in its flag to represent a young nation on the rise, while 5 stars represent the nation's ideals. Until 2017, Mauritania's flag was unique for being one of the few national flags in the world to feature no white or other light colors. It consisted of a green field with a yellow crescent moon and star. In 2017, they added red stripes to honor the blood of independence martyrs. But the crescent moon remains a central element. Lastly, the flag of Brunei is notable for its complexity. It features a yellow field with 2 diagonal black and white stripes running from the lower hoist side corner. At the heart of the flag lies an intricate red emblem known as the state crest. This emblem combines several meaningful elements, such as the crescent moon symbolizing Islam, a royal parasol representing the monarchy, and extended wings suggesting protection. The emblem also features a ribbon bearing the Arabic text Brunei Darussalam, meaning Brunei, abode of peace. It's important to note that not all Muslim-majority countries use the crescent moon symbol. A notable exception is Saudi Arabia, whose green flag features the Arabic inscription of the Shahada, Islamic declaration of faith, and a sword, focusing on Islamic text and cultural symbolism rather than the crescent moon. Several common misconceptions about the crescent moon symbol should be addressed. It is not universal among Muslim-majority countries. It is not exclusive to Islamic contexts. For example, it's used by the International Red Cross and Red Crescent movement. There is no official symbol of Islam as a religion. The crescent moon's association is cultural rather than doctrinally mandated. Now, we want to hear you in the comments. Can you count how many countries have a crescent moon in their flag? This is the end of the video. Hope you learned something new with us today. Please give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel to keep getting enriched from our content and share the video with someone you know will like it.